how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So if you want to enable voice chat on your Roblox, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. And I'm your Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then you need to search for Roblox and make sure to log into your Roblox. So enter your username and your email address and password and then click on login. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to enable your voice chat on your Roblox, then the first thing you need to do is you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right, and then again click on settings. And here under your account info, if you scroll down, you will have your birthday, right? So you need to verify my age, which is verify your age. So you need to verify your age in order to enable the voice chat option on your Roblox. Because if you have not verified your age, then you will not be able to enable voice chat on Roblox. So make sure to verify your age. Click on verify my age option and then you need to give them some identify, and then you need to give them some identity verification, like you need to prepare a valid ID like your driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit, or you can use a smartphone in order to continue. So you need to simply scan the QR code with your camera app to begin. And once you scan the QR code, you need to enter a valid ID or upload a valid ID. And once you've entered the ID or once your verification process has been completed, then you will verify your age under your Roblox. And once you verified your age, you will get the enable voice chat option. So once you verify your age, you need to simply go for the privacy option, which is on the third. And under privacy option here, if you have verified your age, then under your privacy, under your beta features, you will have enable voice chat on the first option. So if you have verified, then you will get that option, and then you need to simply enable that option by clicking on that or simply toggle that on. So that's how you can enable your voice chat on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.